Hello, this is Shane from Shane's Gaming and Mechanics. Today, I'm going to show you how to give your garbage disposal, a good cleaning. Like how to make that deep sound like I did in my short. So first, you're going to want to take the stopper that was supplied with your garbage disposal. If you don't have this plastic stopper, then if you do, you can take this backup flange stopper that goes into that flange. I'm not sure, like the pipe flange, and you can also use that. It will do the same thing. It will work either one, but I'll take the ones that was supplied with the disposal. You're gonna fill the sink with water. Now you can also use some dish soap in the water, which can help clean it very good. Now when you fill it up to like a good length, you're gonna wanna stop. All right, I'm gonna pull out the stopper. And then I'll turn it off. It's kind of tricky to do it with only one hand and then a finger that's holding onto your cell phone. Anyways, that is how you can get the garbage disposal to make that noise. But if you wanted to just like run water and then just run it, you just run it with just turn on the water, then turn it on. There you go, there's my video. I hope you enjoyed the kind of annoying sound of the disposal. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.